Hi, my name is John Fritzky, and I'm the principal here at the Byram Intermediate School, and I'm here with 4 amazing students.
Erica, Jack,
Gavin,
Katie.
And we're here to tell you about some of the exciting things happening at our school. I'm here with Erica, and Erica's going to tell us a little bit about 5th grade. What's happening in 5th grade?
So in Mrs. Garrity's class, we in the morning of the class period, like the beginning, we do a DLR, and we have to answer.
What's the DLR?
It's so on the board, there's sentences that are all mixed up, and we have to fix them, like punctuation, capitalization.
Cool. So a daily language review.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Then sometimes we'll do stations with about character traits. This week we're doing about character traits. We're reading Wonder, which is our new book.
And when you do the character traits, I saw you were doing Augie and Via, and you were comparing and contrasting the similarities and differences.
Yeah,
cool.
yeah.
And I saw you guys using hula hoops.
Yeah.
Very cool.
Yeah. And we do a comprehension check, and we also blog about Wonder. We write, if we think that part was sad or happy or,
You have your own blog?
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah,
That's
it's really fun. We read Wonder a lot, and yeah, like I said, we blog.
Sounds like an interesting class. Thank you so much. I'm here with Jack, who's a 6th grade student, and he's going to tell us about some of the exciting things happening in 6th grade.
In Mrs. Porter's class in science, we're learning about rocks and minerals and the different types. There's metamorphic, igneous, and sedimentary.
So what station did you just go to visit?
I just went to metamorphic.
And so if they're all metamorphic rocks, and I saw there are a lot of them on that board, why do they look different or feel different?
Well, they're caused by extreme heat and pressure, and the amount of pressure can change what it looks like and feels like.
Cool.
Amount of heat. And igneous rocks form from lava cooling down and hardening, and
Sedimentary is the other one?
yeah, sedimentary is the one. Oh, it's in the limestone. There's shells. There's pieces of shells in it, and it can be found in the ocean. And
so all those things kind of come together and press together and they become sedimentary rock?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's awesome. And Jack and I are really excited because this weekend our favorite team, Steelers, are playing. Right, Jack?
Oh, yeah.
Fantastic. Thanks. All right, Gavin. So 7th grade. Tell us what's going on.
So in Mrs. Randall's 7th grade science class, we recently looked through microscopes and saw different types of tissue and cells in our body.
So you looked at them under a microscope, on a slide?
Yes, in a slide.
And what kind of tissue or cells did you look at?
We saw brain tissue, we saw muscle tissue, we saw bone cells, we saw red blood cells.
That's awesome.
And using a microscope, we could focus in on it more, turn the brightness up in the microscope.
Were they hard to use, the microscopes?
Yeah, it's hard to find the exact right spot to see that specimen. And so.
Did you look at different parts of the brain when you did it?
Yes. After we were done looking it through the microscope, we answered questions of different types of each of that.
Yeah. And so you answered different types of questions from the different types of cells that you looked at?
Yeah. We looked at the different types of blood cells, like white blood cells, red blood cells, and all about that. Different types of parts in your brain, like the cerebrum, the one that we looked. That's the part that we looked through in the microscope.
Awesome. And Gavin also is on basketball team, correct?
Mm-hmm.
How'd you guys do yesterday?
We won.
Nice. Congratulations.
Thank you.
So, Katie, 8th grade. Tell us what's happening.
In home ec, we're designing a brand of cereal.
So you get to create your own brand, or are you creating an ad for another brand?
No, creating.
That's cool. And what kind did you make?
We made, it's called Wiser with Age, and it's targeted towards elderly people.
Cool. So what did you have to come up with ingredients or what it was going to taste like or look like?
It was more advertising.
Okay.
Like the cover of the cereal.
Mm-hmm. So what did your cover look like?
It had a tree on it and then an owl.
Cool. And you thought that would be able to attract an older population to buy your cereal?
No.
Did you have a slogan or anything?
It was just younger.
I like it. Younger with each bite. Thank you so much. Thanks so much for joining us and learning about some of the exciting things happening here at our school. We'll see you next week.
Bye!